Today, I'll walk you through how to import customized maps, floor plans, or images to Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to incorporate your unique visuals into Power BI so you can enhance your data storytelling. Let's get started by opening your Power BI dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the canvas for your data visualizations. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Next, we need to prepare your map file. Your map must be in either TopoJSON or JSON format. If you have a GeoJSON file or an SVG image, you can easily convert it to TopoJSON using free online tools like MapShipper. Just remember, each region or room in your map should have a unique property ID. This is crucial for accurate data representation. Now let's add the shape map visual to your canvas. You can find this option in the Visualizations pane. Simply drag and drop it onto your workspace. This visual will allow you to display your customized maps effectively. Once you have the shape map visual on your canvas, it's time to drag your region or room ID field into the location field well. This step is essential as it links your data to the specific areas on your map. Next, open the Format Visual pane, which looks like a paintbrush. This is where you can customize the appearance of your map. It's similar to choosing the right frame for a beautiful painting. Now expand the Map Settings section and set the map type to Custom Map. This tells Power BI that you're using a personalized visual instead of a standard map. Finally, click on Add Map and select your TopoJSON file. This is the moment where your customized map comes to life within Power BI. Once you've done this, you should see your unique map displayed on the canvas, ready to be analyzed and presented. And there you have it. You've successfully imported customized maps, floor plans, or images into Power BI. This not only enhances your reports, but also makes your data more engaging and visually appealing. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.